On this video here, there was a very good question in one of the comments from Sobiechitam6202. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. The question was about AI and audiobooks and whether it really is worth training as a voice actor for audiobooks when in the end AI is going to read all of them anyway. To be honest with you, yes, it is absolutely worth training as a voice actor for audiobooks, because I don't think AI voices are going to be reading whole audiobooks that are listenable. They exist. You can listen to them, but whether they are listenable or not is a completely different matter, in my humble opinion. Because AI voices are good, they're getting better, but humans recognize humans. And there is something in our brains that can hear when it's not quite right. You can't quite put your finger on it. You don't quite know why it's not right, but it's not quite right. It's okay for a few minutes. Most people will not notice AI voices for a few minutes. But with an audiobook, you're listening for potentially 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, depending on what you're listening to. And even if it's just non-fiction, where there's not a lot of emotion, you're still going to recognize it. After a while, your brain will get very tired of listening to something that's not quite natural. It's not quite right, but you can't say why. If you're reading fiction, it's even more of a problem because AI is not very good at emotion. And I personally don't believe that they will get there anytime soon because your brain will just get tired. I've tried this with an audio guide. I listened to an audio guide because I record audio guides and I wanted to see what the enemy was like. And I listened to an audio guide, and after about 10 minutes, I just couldn't do it anymore. It was exhausting to listen to. Can't quite tell you why. Pronunciations were a bit weird, but it was a lot of Czech names. So the AI didn't know how to pronounce those Czech names properly, so that's another factor. But that aside, it was exhausting for my brain to listen to. My ears couldn't handle it anymore. So I don't think that AI will be doing any long-form audiobook readings anytime soon. Well, let's hope so, eh? So go for it. Become an audiobook narrator. Do it. See you later. Bye.